Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Hello and welcome to our DIY Natural Remedies series, where we will show you how to make natural remedies for common ailments that you may experience in your daily life. In this video, we will show you how to make remedies for cold, flu, headaches and sore throat. Even though the common cold can be quite painful, there are natural remedies you can prepare at home to help you feel better. You will need fresh ginger, honey and lemon for this cure. Slice the ginger and cook it for 5 to 10 minutes in water. After straining the liquid, flavor it with honey and lemon juice. Throughout the day, sip on this tea to lessen the symptoms of a cold. You may produce a natural treatment to help you feel better even though the flu might make you feel extremely weak and exhausted. You will need chamomile tea, elderberry and echinacea for this treatment. Herbs should be steeped in boiling water for 10 to 15 minutes before straining the mixture and flavoring with honey. To strengthen your immune system and stave off the flu, drink this tea 2 or 3 times daily. Headaches can be very annoying and distracting, but you can make a natural remedy at home to help ease your pain. For this remedy, you will need some peppermint oil and coconut oil. Mix 1 to 2 drops of peppermint oil with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and massage the mixture onto your temples and forehead. The cooling effect of the peppermint oil will help to receive your headaches. A sore throat can make it difficult to swallow or talk, but you can make a natural remedy to help ease your pain. For this remedy, you will need some sage, honey and apple cider vinegar. Steep the sage in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the liquid and add it honey and apple cider vinegar to taste. Garlic with this mixture several times a day to help soothe your sore throat. Here are 4 natural home remedies that you may use to treat headaches, sore throat, the flu and colds. Remember that these treatments should not be used in place of medical advice. If your symptoms worsen or continue, call your doctor. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already done. So thanks for watching and see you next time.